Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show how to write the alphabet in uppercase. We're going to start up at the top line to the red line. Here we go. I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3. B. 1, 2, 3. C, you're going to start under the line here, up and around. C. Then we're going to go D. D. Okay. After that, letter E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. Okay. Letter F. 1, 2, 3. Now, this second line is going to be shorter. We can go here. It's going to be big. And this is going to be smaller. Okay. So you will see, right? You'll see from here, I'll use red. It is shorter than the top. Okay. All right. Next, we have the letter F. Let me turn my light on. That might help. Give me just a moment here. That might help a little more. Okay. So F, red line. Okay, let's do G. Okay, just like the C, we're going to do the same motion. Up, around, but we're going to go up just a little bit more, almost to that dotted line. Dot, 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 dot. And then we're going to put a cross. E, F, G. Now, you can go down, that's okay, but you don't have to. Next, we have the letter H. 1, 2, 3. H. Then we have I. Okay. When you're writing I, it's always best to do this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sometimes you will see the letter I here in red, like this. I. But try to do the blue. Okay. Next, we have J. J. Here we go. Start at the top line. Go straight down. Down, 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 down. And start to turn before you get to the red line. Back up. Okay. This is okay like this. Or you can put, like the I, you can put a line on top. Both okay. They are the same. So H, I, J, K is our next. You say K, make a stick, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go like this. It's just one motion. One motion. Okay. Now, some people try to go like this in the red. We try to go like 1, 2, and then up here, 3, which is okay, but just use the blue, make it easy. All right, JK, L, stick, and cross. Okay, now J, K, L. Next is M. Okay, how I do it, 1, 2 to the center dotted line. Keep it on the paper. Right back up. And then down, stick one more time. Okay, so 1, 2, up, down. Next, N. We're going to do a stick. And you're going to go right back to the same spot. Back here. We're going to go down to the N. And then you can go back up, straight up, or straight down. Both are okay. All right, we're going to move to the next. Next letter is O. Letter O. Easy. Okay, start right on that line. I go to the left. Okay, it's like an oval. P. Start and go down. Pick up the pencil, go right back. Same spot. Okay, we're going to go to the right. And turn, 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 turn. Once you get to this point, the dot, you can go right in. Okay, so it looks like a P. Now, once you do this, keep your pencil to the paper, don't move, and then go down. Oop, I'm sorry. We are trying to do a P. That's my mistake. We don't want this part. Okay, the letter P is like this. I will do P one more time. Okay, so let's go. See, teachers make mistakes. Machigai daijoubu. One more time. Beep. Stick. Turn back. P. Okay, so we have O, P, Q. Okay, Q is the same thing as an O. Do it again. O. Start here. And you're going to turn right back up. And then about halfway between with the dotted line, dot, 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 and the red, you're going to want to not to the center here, but to the side. And you're going to put a little stick. Q. Okay, so we have O, P, Q. Next is R. Okay, we're going to do this one properly. R. Stick. Just like the P. And then you're going to put down one stick. R. So we have O, P, Q, R. Okay. After R, we have S. Here we go. Going to start right about here, like our C. Just like the C here, we're going to start below. And we're going to start going up. Up, 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 up. To the line, come back down. Okay, about this point here. Right between those two. You're going to start to turn all the way back. You're going to be at that center line. And then we're going to twist, turn one more time, like a snake. And back up. S. So start like C, do, 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 do. And then instead here, you're going to turn. S. T. Cross at the top, cross. And pick up the pencil and down. All right. Next, we have U. Okay. I'm going to start right at the top. We're going to go straight down. We're going to do a stick in here, you're going to turn to the red and keep turning until you're going back up again. U. V. Okay, start here. Okay, we are going to go ahead and go from here to back up here. So it's not like a K, but we're gonna go angle. V. Now W is the same as the V. It's gonna be 2 V's. So here, but we're not going to go this far out. We're not going to go from here to here. We're going to go less. So we're going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, up to about the middle line. You can go all the way up, that's okay. If you want to go all the way up here and go 1, I'll do it in red. Like this, W. That's okay. I like this. Steven likes this. But both are okay. All right. After the W, we have X. Now X, like the V, we're going to go from top to bottom at an angle. Instead of like up, down, we're going to turn. But we're going to turn more. We're going to be, and then we're going to do the same thing here. And it should be from here, it should be a straight line. The same up and down. So it'll be 1, 2. Next is a Y. Okay, we're going to do the same thing as the X, but we're going to stop. We're going to stop right there. You're going to come up here, we're going to do it again. Stop. Okay. And then from this point, we're going to go down. Y. And last is Z. Z is a fun one. Do not put the pencil up. Keep on the paper. And go 1. And then like the X, we're going to go back 2. And then across one more time. Across. 3. Z. Okay, so that is your alphabet. So very quickly, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, I'm going to go over here, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, these are the same, W's, X, Y, Z. Okay, that is your uppercase alphabet detail, step by step. Okay, I will be back with in lowercase.